Hi, I'm Phil Bridges, owner of Straight Arrow Repair. Ever want to know how a repairman fixes things? Well, come with me and I'll show you how I solve problems. Let's make things better together. This is an expensive example of not doing it right. This is a long phone charger, probably $15 to $12 for this charger, trying to tie this light fixture, and it didn't work. So don't do it that way.
I do not recommend it.
Not recommended by this experienced electrician. It's Phil Bridges. If you like what you saw, you think it might be helpful to somebody else, push that like button and let other people know what you and I now know. And we'll work together toward making a brighter future. And by the way, we're not Americans, we're Americans. See you next time.